Hello everyone. In this video, I will be teaching you how to download any app on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. The first thing you might think to do is open up any browser you'd like, such as Microsoft Edge. Once in Microsoft Edge, you might go to the Google Play Store. Once in the Google Play Store, say you want to download Instagram. When you go to click the install button, it will ask you to sign in. Upon signing in, you will see that you aren't actually allowed to download any of the apps. In order to download apps on your PC or laptop, you will have to use a separate downloading software, which is actually built right into your Windows device. Go down to your search bar and type in Microsoft Store and click the Microsoft Store app. This will open up the Microsoft Store window, where now you can search for any app you want. Again, let's say Instagram. Here Instagram shows up. If you click on it, you can click the word Get. It will begin downloading. You can click the Apps section to look for several apps of your choosing. You can also look for games in the gaming section, and even download movies and TV shows in the movies and TV section. As we can see now, my Instagram download is finished. Click open, and Instagram will open. For now, close the Microsoft Store. If you want to get to Instagram now, come down to the search bar and type in Instagram. Right-click the app and click Pin to Taskbar. You will now notice that Instagram has been pinned down to your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. That is how you download any app on your PC or laptop. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.